Be inspired by the simplicity of this minimalist modern style home. Clean lines, simplicity, less is more is a deliberate theme of this minimalist modern style home. A natural combination that can't go wrong, the woods and whites. Both of these elements are used to create a clean and sleek aesthetic. To keep things organized, we've designed an open pantry in the living space so that the compact kitchen has more space for other essentials. In the bedroom, these relaxing muted tones with a fusion of wood vibes make the room feel unity and cohesive. The bedhead's pattern is an add-on contrast that is an easy way to make a bold impression even in minimalistic rooms.